Hey guys, welcome to Video Service Information. Today we're looking at a 2013 Honda CRV. The vehicle's got around 62,000 miles on it. It's got the 2.4 engine in it. The customer's complaint was hearing a roaring noise from the right front area. With the vehicle on the lift, you could hear the noise from the right side jack shaft support bearing. Noise was pretty excessive coming from that support bearing. It was just screeching. You can actually hear the noise and hear how dry the bearing is, doing a bench test of the bearing. Got that right side jack shaft and support bearing changed over. Then we could still hear a bearing noise coming from underneath the vehicle. Started listening to the drive shaft, and you could hear the common center support bearing noise coming from the drive shaft. I'm going to recommend a new drive shaft. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.